Hi, I'm Jake with Mr. Reliable Heating and Air. Your HVAC system is a critical component to keeping your family safe and comfortable. If your system is failing and you need help, you don't have to wait. Get it looked at right away with the professional 24/7 emergency services from Mr. Reliable Heating and Air. For all your HVAC needs, give the professionals at Mr. Reliable Heating and Air a call today.